What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Take Profit Tuesdays with your boy, Levon Stewart, co-founder, CEO of Vani FX. And then today, as we always like to do it in each and every single weekly videos, guys, this is not financial advice. Please, if you're not able to withstand the markets, please seek a financial advisor. If you seek into learning how to pay brokers, salesmen, commissions, please look for your local stockbroker and give them all your money to manage your money. And with that money, you'll be profitable. And while you're being profitable, he'll be profitable. So, with that being said, guys, this is not financial advice. This is strictly for education slash entertainment. If you've been following me since the day one, it's been a long, grueling ride, but yet we still come almost every single week on a consistent basis. So if you're just not watching this for the first time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, support the channel. I'm trying to grow this as big as I can. Our motto is we need to educate the masses about financial literacy so they can live a more higher standard quality of life, right? So if I'm able to get up onto this platform and teach anyone, even if it's one person, how to invest their money, whether it being, let's say, real estate, S&P, crypto, what have you, you know what I'm saying? What have it be, bonds, stocks, doesn't matter. And they're able to be profitable. They're able to retire at a younger age that they wouldn't possibly have before. This is what we do. So this is why I come up every single week. Not for myself, not to hear my voice how it sounds every single week. No, I'm just because this is my passion, and this is actually very fun to do. And I don't know. There's so many interlocking pieces when you look at everyday life. So, like for instance, and I know I'm gonna probably go on a tangent for a couple minutes, but whatever. Like I said, if you read the title, all technical. So let me give you guys some technicals. If you get up every single day, let's say you get up and you go to work, right? What you don't notice is that you're passing stores, you're passing businesses, you're passing pawn shops, you're passing farmland, you're passing a lot of things, and little did you know those things fluctuate in pricing, right? And just to bring one example, gas, right? How recently do you guys remember the gas prices were almost $5 a gallon? How recent was you guys? Did you guys remember that news? Can tell you what, now I guess they haven't been talking about how prices been dropping. I remember today, almost 6 months this time around, gas was about almost $5, like four and some change. Right now, it's a whole dollar less. Now, I like to look at it as if opportunity, right? A lot of people they'll just be like, "Oh yeah, great, it's amazing," I gotta spend more money on buying more gas, this and that, third, and so on and so forth, which is cool and all. But why don't you invest into an oil company or a ATF that's associated with oil refineries, so on and so forth. You gotta do your own research. But anyways, I'm not gonna get too much in details, guys. Just again, you gotta pay attention to what's going on. Be proactive and understand the four pillars, because again, the four pillars of capital, strategy, psychology, and risk management, you're able to be profitable. So again, if you do experience losses, it's not gonna affect you. It's almost impossible. So I do want to talk about this week's technical analysis. So last week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so last week we talked about um it's approaching the golden zone, right? And one thing about this is that it's not past the gold zone. So I almost thought around. I'm gonna pull it up real quick. Let's draw so you guys can see. I thought this candle, that hammer, that blue hammer that you guys see, I thought that was the support zone. So I'm in my head, I'm thinking, okay, this is gonna react almost perfectly off the golden zone, but it didn't, and that's okay. Cause guess what? It's getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and guess what? We have capital ready in store in the storage reserves. So if you're a smart individual like myself, the lower it gets, the better for me, because I can park more money in it. I can get more shares for less for a discount. And as the price keeps dropping and dropping, I'm gonna keep buying. I'm gonna keep holding. And then when we return to all time highs, guess what? They're gonna call me the cash out king because I just cashed out. Well, as price was dipping, I kept on buying. And for those who were even smarter than myself, let me get this out of here. Get out. That's annoying. Yeah, it's better. So yeah, those who or savvy investors who got into the let's say this dip right here, the COVID dip. Did you not, guys? They're doing pretty well. Even this dip probably didn't affect them that much. They're like, oh, okay, 10%, cool, not stressing it, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So expect more dips. If not, it could go long, it could go further. I don't know. I don't really predict the future. I play with the future. I'm just gonna remove one thing now that we're on the live stream, right? So because, and I'm not like these other traders that you may see on YouTube who act like they win every single trade. I don't win every single trade. And I'm gonna be transparent, at least the ones I'm gonna share with you guys, especially on this account. And yeah, this it didn't fully play through, and that's okay. So here's what we'll do. We'll just clean this up a little bit. We'll leave the fib just in case you might react off of this zone back down here, and then come back up, and then complete. But it didn't instantly react like I thought it would off this zone or this zone, which is okay. I'm not. It's cool. It is. I'm actually even more glad it didn't react off it, to be honest with you. Because if you think about it, if it's at 30, if I bought at 40K or 4,000, around 4,000, and it's not below that, what does that mean? Lee, buy more. Buys are getting lower. So as this buying is getting lower, I'm just gonna ride it all the way back up, and we're in profit. So now in this episode, I'm not disclosing where we're at with the trading account. It doesn't matter. We're not gonna focus that right now. Maybe when we're up again at another bull cycle, whatever. I'm gonna then disclose where we're at. I might do another investment either Friday or Tuesday or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. But either way, I'm prepared. I'm getting ready. So again, it's not financial advice. So if you want to get into a buy, that's up to you. But I might get into a buy. I will disclose if I do next Tuesday. What else do I want to talk about? Let's see. Let's look at it weekly. Let's clean this up a little bit. So we want to get back to the 78, 47. Excuse me. That's the goal. The goal is always to hit back all-time highs within the economy, right? Oh yeah, let me talk. Oh yeah, I know what I want to talk about now. The dollar, man. Oh my god. And those of you who are living in the euros and the European Union countries, right? Guess what? The United States dollar is not worth more than your European. How does that feel? Anyways, the feds, man, I don't know. I'm gonna tell you now, as far as the next couple of months or so, it's the interest rates are gonna be crazy, man. I can really see it. Right now it's at 5%. I think prime rate. I think right now is 5.25 from the most recent hike rate that was from the 4.5. So they might do another 75 hike basis points, make it 6%, 7%, and it's gonna keep on going and going and going, maybe to 1 billion%. And then at that point, you're borrowing money from yourself, you owe money to yourself. Um, but jokes aside, though, it's interesting to see how as the Fed keeps increasing rates, it's not really stopping this inflation, and it does boggles my mind that we're literally at the point of where August, we're past halfway through the year, we're almost third quarter, and it's coming to the fall where we have Halloween, Thanksgiving, so on and so third, and you mean to tell me you guys have not at least made it to a normal range? What are people gonna do during times of Black Friday, Christmas shopping? It's gonna be inflated. So I mean, it is what it is at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, the Fed should be doing its job in combating this inflation a little bit more proactively. I do see gas prices going down. So let's look at gas real quick. So gas prices are going down. We're actually at we broke the neckline recently, so that's good. That's good. So I keep it up with the gas. Now, as far as the other things, now that's an issue. That's an issue. We need to get that situated ASAP. Um, but anyways, that was pretty much all I gotta say as far as just look at this euro, man. Sad. It's just been falling and I've been trying to buy it, but it's just thanks to Jerome Powell and the Fed board man, they must be on vacation, man. Just sipping mojitos on the beach, and rates are just so too low, man. We gotta keep hiking it. We're gonna be aggressive, but in the same breath, we're gonna do it months sporadically. So we're gonna seem like we're being aggressive, but not really. We're gonna make it seem like we're doing something, but we're not really. And that's what it kind of seems like. Cause you mean to tell me these rate hikes have been more aggressive than it was in the past? If you have not watched the previous videos, please take a look. Get into it and get yourself educated. So as far as the euro now, it has not been the euro and the dollar has not paired 1-to-1 since 2015, man. So yeah, man. I mean, if you want to buy some euros and invest in it, hold it long term, maybe like a year or two, it might go back to normal ranges. But anyways, I do want to end the stream, this short vid, just saying, you have to be, your eyes have to be open for opportunity. And what I mean by that is that a lot of times things are gonna come at you left, right, sideways, back, forth, and you're gonna panic. You're gonna do things that you don't normally do. You're gonna be out of character. And one thing I learned about, at least for the aspect of on the topic of investing and investing in the markets, is that you're not gonna always get the perfect play. There's gonna be days gonna be nice. There's gonna be days that's gonna be awful. It is what it is. But one thing you do have to understand is the psychology is that it's something you can't control, and if there's something in life that you can't control, you shouldn't put too much energy into it. If you do now, you're kind of doing yourself a disjustice, and it's not fair to you and those around you. So with that being said, be opportunistic. Seize the moment. Think about how you were able to get up today, turn on your computer, turn on your phone, and look at the charts, or look at the news, or look at what the price is right now, and make a conscious decision with your finances and purchase an asset. An asset you can redeem, an asset that could go up or down in price. But at the end of the day, you took that risk with that capital, put a little bit of strategy, with some psychology, and you made some money, right? Bars. But anyways, I'm gonna watch you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.